everyone, welcome back to my channel. As we all know, it's festive season, so I thought why not put together a very quick, easy look. Even if you're traveling and in a cab stuck in traffic, you can quickly get ready and get this look. So I hope you enjoy, and if you like this look, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can see the red button down below. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So starting with the face, I've already done my base, and I will leave an in-depth video on how to do the foundation on the card above, so don't forget to check that out. But moving on, I will go ahead and do my eyebrows, and I'm just going to comb through with the spoolie just to remove any excess product. Then I'll be going ahead with the PAC eyebrow definer and just filling in my brows. Well, I'm not gonna really make it thick or too thin, I'm just gonna leave it just the way it is, but just fill in through any gaps that's there. Well, this is a no eyeshadow look, so I won't be using any eyeshadow, but I will be contouring my face and you'll see what I do next. But taking the PAC 305 contour brush, I'm gonna take this M.A.C Coppertone matte powder blush for my contour. I know it's a blush, but I'm using it as a contour because I've also gone a little too dark on my foundation, so I'm just gonna go with this shade, and I'm gonna contour all the places that requires contouring. Also, if you need an in-depth tutorial, I'm gonna place it on the card above, so please don't forget to check that out. Now taking this angular brush, a smaller angular brush in the number 318 by PAC, I am going to do my nose contour as well. Then going ahead with the same powder blush that I use for contour, I'm just gonna fill this in my crease area. This is a basic thing of contouring the crease area. Structure the depth to your eyes, but that's the only thing that I'm doing. As I said, I'm not using any eyeshadow. I'm just using this just to give that definition to my crease, and that's it. Once that's done, I'm taking this eyeliner by Makeup Forever in the shade Aqua Eyes. Well, I tried looking for this shade. I could not find it online, so I don't think I can place a link for this, but I will still figure it out if I can find it. But just going ahead with this green eyeliner, which sort of matches my sari that I'm wearing, I'm gonna make a nice wing. I did not make it too thick, but you can go ahead and make it more thick. It is up to you. I just kept it on a very medium size, and I'm just gonna make a nice good wing. Then I'm taking the cream eyeliner by Kryolan in the shade Ebony. I'm just going to overline my eyes very close to my lash line. You know, when we were small and we used to draw things and just give those black outlines with the marker, this is exactly what I'm trying to do. As I said, if you want, you can make the black liner thick as well, but I went with a very thin line. Then doing the same thing on the below lash line, but just applying the black liner. I'm just gonna generously apply it. Taking this tapered brush, I'm just gonna smudge out the lower lash line, and I somehow feel that a good kohl pencil, a good kajal is so important for especially Indian eyes. Like, I feel it really defines and accentuates the way it looks. Now going ahead with the M.A.C Mineralizer blush. This is quite beautiful and it's very soft pink. Also, it has a nice sheer shine to it, which I really like, and so I'm not going to put highlighter. I'm just going to go ahead with this blush and I'm just going to blend that out really well because it has that dewy finish to it, so I'm not going to put more highlighter. Well, also this is like a daytime look, so I want to keep it as simple, as quick, as gorgeous as possible. But also I'm just going to put the same blush on the higher points of my face as well. Going ahead with my Kiko Milano waterproof mascara, I'm just going to apply a generous amount of mascara. I love me a good mascara, so I go very generous with it. Then taking the Maybelline Color Sensational lip liner in the shade Velvet Beige, I'm just gonna outline my lips and fill it in really well. Then going ahead with Lakme 9 to 5 Lip and Cheek color. It's a beautiful matte mousse in the shade Cocoa Soft, and I'm gonna apply it on my lips, and I'm just gonna overline and completely fill my lip with that. Also, once that's done, I'm going to apply Miss Claire's Waterproof Lipfinity, and I'm just going to apply the clear gloss. I like the glossy look. Finishing this look with a setting spray, and this setting spray is by LA Girl, and it's a matte finish setting spray. So I'm just going to spritz it all over my face, and we're done. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, and please subscribe to my channel. All the details and everything will be in the description down below, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye bye.